I kind of found my way here through the vibe coding backdoor. And during vibe coding and thinking about what I was building and what I was making while I was vibe coding, I sort of came to this like ethical AI question myself and what the future would look like and what did it mean for people. My background is in entertainment marketing. I'm currently at Disney as a creative director. And I sort of found my way into the space and I met these young filmmakers, Cameron Reed, who's an AI researcher and Yale philosopher, and then his best buddy named Milo, who's also a philosophy graduate of Yale, but also minored in filmmaking. And they've made this documentary about AI and consciousness and whether AI is conscious and what do we know about AI so far and what does that all mean. So in the midst of meeting them and talking to them about their film and how to get it out there, I also found my way here into Kauai. And one day I was talking to the guys about how to market their film, and I said I really think that it should be community screenings and it should force conversation, meaning community organizers should be able to screen the film as long as they're going to have a panel discussion after. So their big premiere of the film is in Los Angeles on April 22nd in Santa Monica. But on the 21st, we're going to get the pre-premiere screening with Kwai and the community here. The filmmakers will be there to be on a panel discussion. I'm assuming Reza is going to be on that panel discussion too, even though we haven't firmed everything yet. I'll probably help moderate or something like that. And Milo and Cam are so excited to have found this organization. They didn't even know y'all existed. And when I explained what you guys were and why I thought this was the perfect doc to connect, they were like, how did you find something so perfect? And I was like, because people are out there, we just have to all find each other. Like if you're looking for it, you'll find it. And because I was so new, I just started Googling things and found people. So I'm here as a very non-technical founder. A lot of what just happened went completely over my head, but I'll figure it out later. And that's what the film is. So the film is really lovely. It follows them as it follows Cameron's research really on AI and consciousness. And I think where they leave off, not to give us, not to spoil anything, but where they leave off is really on a question. And the question is really about who's involved right now and who's not involved and what do we need more of and what kind of decisions are being made without most of us realizing they're being made. So maybe we could just have another night where we watch it together and they can do it virtually and after they release it. So that way, because we're getting a pre-release screening. So after
Understood.
May
But I
4th,
would love
we could
that
do that.
if we do it after they release and we can watch it as a community. That would
Yeah,
be great.
I think they'd be totally open to that because
Yeah,
they
yeah.
really do believe in making it a community screening thing.
Okay.
Fantastic. Okay. The recordings of these meetings are available on Slack. Thanks so much to John Vaccaro and also to Nada for their back office automation.